Hi there everyone, welcome to iPad Essential. In this video, we will talk about, let's say you are using mouse with your iPad, how we can customize those extra buttons that comes with your mouse to improve your productivity. For example, you can define any one of these mouse to return back to iPad screen home. Or for example, you want to switch in between apps. Let's see how we can do that. For that, let's jump into our iPad screen. And there we go. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go here in settings. So let me type setting here, and then we need to go to accessibility. Okay, so let's find accessibility, which is here. And now let's go down and we need to go inside touch. Now here what we need to do is we need to turn on this assistive touch, and as soon as you will turn it on, here you can see on the right hand side you will see this virtual toolbar or assistive touch will appear. And not to worry guys, we can also hide this, but let's see how we can customize our mouse button. Now let's go down here, and what we need to do here is we need to click on devices, and then here you should able to find your device. So in my case I can see my mouse, so let me click on it, and there we go. Now here you can see I already have customized these two buttons, which are extra button in this mouse for certain tasks. Let me add one more button which will give you clarity how we can utilize these extra mouse buttons in case of iPad. So let me again click here on customize additional button, and still there is a button that I have not customized. So I'm gonna press that button, and you see in iPad screen it is now asking us what task you want to perform with that button. Now for example, I would like to set it up for Siri. So let me select the Siri, and there we go. Now what I'm gonna do here is whenever I press this mouse button, and you will see that Siri will appear. And let me again press it back.
Sorry, I couldn't go back.
In a similar way, here you can see I also have customized these two buttons for home and switching app. Let me again press this button and let's see what happened. Here you can see it is helping me to switch my app, and now I can select the app that I would like to open. Now let me press this another button which I have set for home, and there we go. We can see that we are now in our iPad home. So this way guys, we can customize our Bluetooth mouse which have got some extra buttons for extra functionality, but this option also have got some limitation. For example, if I choose any button here, we have got a limited number of system functions available. For example, let's say I would want to set this button for settings, but I do not see setting function is available here. However, I think I could have set this for control center, and then simply I went back to the setting of this button 6, and by one click I was able to change the functionality of this button. Now if I press this button, it should now open iPad control center, and let me press it, and there we go. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPad Essential for more such videos related to iPad, and I will catch you soon with one such another topic, or you can also recommend us topic in the comment down below. Till then, take care and bye bye.